Well, I finished the dining room. It was quite labor intensive because I washed everything. As I look at my cabinet, which is all now shiny, which is lovely, I can just picture my mum coming to visit me, having one look, and then hesitating before saying, "Let me rearrange that for you." Anyway, I got rid of a few things. The jugs that I really don't like, I've put at the back because that is something that I would like to discuss with my mum when she comes to visit me next from Sydney. Now, I did find a few things that I'll be getting rid of. This thimbly thing that was given to me when I went to visit a friend in Brazil. Not really my taste. And then some drink coasters that I never use, and an incense holder which I never use. I have decided to get rid of the candle. I'm not sure whether or not to donate that or just throw it out. I think I'll throw it out. And the handbag is going, so I will donate that one. Now, while I was on my travels, I did come across some memorabilia. So a little message, my mum saying that she was donating the tea set to me back in '88. I was 17 then, and some very odd drawing that I'd obviously drawn. I will put those back in the teapot, but it does make me think of a very good point, which is when you are decluttering, it's a really good idea not to go down memory lane. So put things aside to look at later, but try not to sit down and go down memory lane. Alright, that's it.